Okay, so for today I wanted to do a small unboxing video of the new Wyvern link system from Emax that uses OpenIPC. So let's do this. These are the high-powered versions, the 2-watt receiver and the 800 milliwatt VTX. So let's see what we got inside these boxes. Okay, this is the receiver, the 2-watt receiver. Nice box. Ooh, got a white one. I expected black. And that's it. Ooh, this looks like an SLS printed case. It's very nice. And nicely it comes with a USB cable and a USB on-the-go adapter. USB 3.0 looks very nice. And we got our antennas. Looks like we got a omnidirectional and a patch antenna. And they have nice connectors on them. Thankfully these aren't like OpenIPX or any micro FL connectors. That's what I was thinking of. Thankfully these aren't micro FL connectors. They are the little larger ones. Oh, it's called right offhand. Okay, that all looks really nice. Got a fan. Looks like it's got a fan on it and nice, some good ventilation. So let's see what's in the transmitter box. Nice packaging. Here we got antennas. These ones do have the micro FL connectors, but also looks like you get a couple different options here. You can run, so you can run different antennas. Looks like the VTX board, or one of them. Looks like you get a little stack here. And the camera. And this here is a Ethernet adapter for talking to VTX and changing settings. I'm going to give you some cables, another USB on-the-go adapter. Which is nice. Get all these out of the packages. nice. This looks like it's the Wi-Fi module. You got your micro FL connectors here. It's nice that they give you different connectors here instead of just being stuck to the one connector, so you can put on whatever antenna you want to on this. Oh, come on. There it goes. We got the second board. Interesting. These boards are two different sizes for the bolt holes. We'll have to see what they got planned with that. And this is the camera. Boy, this MIPI connector looks very fragile, but looks like it'll work. Got a nice lens on there. And of course you get USB cable and you get different connectors. Now I'm wondering how the heck they imagine me stacking this. I was thinking there'd be some sort of solution in here, but it doesn't look like it. I wonder if I even got sent the right boards. Okay, that's it. I'll be dropping a how-to video on this here probably later this week, and everybody have a nice day.